Project Mockingbird, unveiled at CES 2024, is McAfee's answer to the growing threat of deepfake audio. It's an AI-powered technology designed to detect if the audio in a video is likely AI-generated, protecting users from scams, cyberbullying, and manipulation. Here's a breakdown of its technical details. Multi-model approach. Project Mockingbird combines 3 AI models. Contextual detection. Analyzes the audio content and compares it to the video script or surrounding text to identify inconsistencies. Behavioral detection. Examines the audio for anomalies in pitch, rhythm, and other speech patterns characteristic of deepfakes. Categorical detection. Identifies specific sounds or noises that are often manipulated in deepfakes. Machine learning. These models are trained on a massive dataset of real and deepfake audio samples, enabling them to distinguish the subtle differences between the two. Accuracy. Project Mockingbird boasts a 90% accuracy rate in detecting deepfakes, which is currently industry-leading. It has several benefits. Combats various deepfake threats, protects against cheap fakes, created with simple audio editing tools as well as sophisticated AI-generated deepfakes, improves online trust, helps restore trust in audio content by identifying manipulated audio, reduces potential harms, mitigates the risks associated with deepfakes, such as financial scams, reputational damage, and social discord. Also, there are limitations and scope for future developments such as new deepfake techniques. Project Mockingbird needs to constantly evolve to keep pace with new deepfake creation methods. Integration with existing products. McAfee is still exploring how to integrate this technology into their current cybersecurity solutions. Transparency and bias. Concerns exist around the potential for bias in AI models, requiring careful training and monitoring of Project Mockingbird to ensure fairness and accuracy. Overall, Project Mockingbird represents a significant step forward in deepfake detection. Its AI-powered multi-model approach offers high accuracy and has the potential to significantly improve online safety and trust. However, continued development and transparency are crucial to address potential limitations and ensure responsible application of this technology.